Hi, are you dealing with constant hunger? Excessive hunger is one pain point which stops person from losing weight and recover from various chronic ailments including diabetes, blood pressure, thyroid, arthritis, etc. I'm Preeti Shah. I'm Integrated Nutrition Health Coach. When I coach my clients, I give them ways to deal with the constant hunger. I also help them balancing the ratio of protein, fat, and carbohydrate. And this video is all about ways to deal with constant hunger and how to balance your plate in easy manner so you can lose your weight. Whenever people try to lose their weight, they first try to reduce their portion sizes and try to eat little less. But in result, they might make them feel more hungrier, acidity might increase, they often deal with headache and irritability. So instead of reducing portion sizes, I advise my client to reduce carb, increase protein, fat, fiber, and balance their water. It is advisable to reduce carb because most of the people increase or they consume more carbohydrate. Carbohydrate we get it from white flour items as well as sugar. Body takes little less time to digest carbohydrate, so again we become really hungry if we are eating food which is heavy on carbohydrate. Let's understand about protein. Protein rich diet helps to balance your hormones including hunger hormone ghrelin. So that helps in reducing appetite and you will feel full for a longer period of time if you have consumed protein rich diet. Protein we get from paneer, various kinds of nuts, lentils, legumes, pulses, soy, egg, chicken, fish, tofu. Consume according to your taste but make sure to add protein rich diet. Next step is to add some healthy fat in our diet. Body takes a little long time to digest our fat and it also helps us to absorb fat soluble vitamins like vitamin A, E, D and K. So when we eat more fat, it helps our body to absorb nutrition in a better manner. One must add few dishes like ghee, cheese, butter, healthy fat, dairy, fish and nuts. Next is about fiber. Fiber rich diet also helps us reducing appetite naturally. There are two types of fiber, soluble and insoluble. Both type of fiber are helpful in aiding digestion and reducing appetite. It also helps us increasing good gut bacteria. Good gut bacteria helps in balancing hormones and also reduces craving naturally. Fiber you will get from all kinds of fruits and vegetables plus whole grains. So one should consume 1 to 2 fruits in a day, 3 to 4 portions of vegetables including soup, sabzi, stir fry and few whole grains. Finally, we also should see how much water we are consuming. In few cases, when body is thirsty, body asks for some comfort and few people mistake it by a comfort from a food. So if you are hungry, just drink a 1 glass of water and check if you are still hungry after 15-20 minutes or not. So by regulating water intake will also help you reducing your appetite naturally. So the first strategy is to balance your carb, protein, fat, fiber and water ratio instead of reducing portion sizes. Second is to manage your stress. Stress directly affects metabolism. It also affects hormone imbalance. So it is important for us to manage stress. Whenever we are stressed, we crave for salty food, sweet food. This all dishes are heavy in calorie and ultimately the more consumption can lead to weight gain. The third strategy is to maintain a good sleep regime. So imagine a situation where if you have not slept well on the second day morning, you will be waking up with less energy, irritability. Your digestive system will toss. You might feel nauseous. That can lead to eating more food and wrong kind of food. Whenever we have not slept well, we usually crave for more salty, more sweet food and which is more in calorie. So taking care of your sleep routine will definitely improve your health and reduce your appetite at the same time. The fourth strategy is to eat right kind of food after doing exercise. I have also seen this mistake when people do intense exercise. After their session, they feel really hungry, and at that time, they can eat any meal, including a cheat meal. So understand that after exercise, your body requires more time to unwind, which you can achieve from taking a hot shower or even by simple stretching. Opting food which is heavy in calorie will not help you anyways. So always opt for healthy drinks and healthy diet after intense exercise. You can consume buttermilk, coconut milk, lemon jeera water for your healthy drink, and always consume protein, fat, fiber rich diet. Last strategy is very important. It is about analyzing whether you are dealing with any chronic ailments or not. So, if one person is trying from all the ways in managing their food, but if the person is still not able to control their hunger, then they need to see whether they're dealing with any ailment or not. And it is time to get the blood work done. If you have diabetes or hypothyroidism, that can also lead to increased appetite. In case of few medicines like antidepressant, anti-seizure, steroid and birth control pill, they can also lead to increased appetite. So in that case, you can again check with your doctor which kind of medicine you should consume. So these are the 5 best strategies which has helped my client to reduce their appetite and ultimately reduce weight. Try this, I'm sure it will help you too. Thank you.